So guys, this is our fifth day here, and so we are here. Nandito kami ngayon sa Apo View Hotel, and this is our third hotel. No, fourth. That's it. So we were in Manila Achievers Hotel, and then we went to Pinnacle when we arrived in Davao. We stayed there. We stayed the big house in Huna Village and Huna Subdivision, and now we're staying here at Apo View Hotel. So I will do the room tour. We upgraded to a deluxe room. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so as soon as it's the door, okay, and then as soon as you get in, you have the cabinet in here. We got hangers and yeah, so you got two here, two clothes. They've got safe, which is good. Yeah, there. So got free drinks and we got fridge. Yeah, it's good. Got kettle there. Got mugs and free water. Then on this side, you got the bathroom. So we already used it. We got free toiletries, towels, and this bathroom. It's pretty big. We got space. There we got a bathtub. Yeah. Yeah. So and then right here, do like this space here. I can do my makeup. Shut up, makeup. We got a drawer. We got plugs in there. That's me. Got hair dryer. Got a small tally there, and I like this space here. Yeah, and you've got the table and chair there, and this is the bed, David in it, and there's some suitcases. Yeah, so that's it. That's there, and let's see what we have in here. Nothing really, nothing much, nothing you can see around. Yeah, so that's the room tour, guys. So yeah, this is the deluxe room, and I like that they got that tall mirror here. I can see myself.